Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Ginny. Today I'm going to share with you how to fill your ink spot. Our new 2025 in color cloud cover only is available in our Stampin' Right marker, set of 5, our Stampin' Blends, and the Reinker. Due to some issues we had with the adhesive and the firm foam ink pad chemically reacting with the refill. So quickly and easily, you'll pick up a refill and then you'll open your reinker and simply start by laying down the reinker. I like to go one direction and then start by squeezing my bottle and going the other direction. You can go all the way up to the edges if you'd like, going around the edges and then adding the color as need be. Once it stops going into the ink pad quickly, you know you've saturated your ink spot completely. So as you can see here, it's on top, so I am going to rub that in a little bit and allow it to soak. And of course, if you over ink your ink spot, you can take a piece of grid paper and stamp a few times to remove that excess ink like so. There we go. Now I'm ready to store my ink pad, and since this is on the top, you'll want to flip it to the bottom so that the ink stays at the top of your pad, and you can label it as desired. I hope you've enjoyed learning how to ink your Stampin' Spot with the Cloud Cover Reinker. This technique is used on all of our stamping spots and a similar process on your firm foam ink pads. And of course, if you'd like any of these products, feel free to stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Ginny. Thanks for joining me.